Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's try this mushroom 65 recipe, which is an easy side dish or perfect to have as a snack. Here I've taken some button mushrooms. If you get small size button mushrooms, you don't have to slice it, but here I got bit bigger size, so I'm just cutting it into 4 pieces. Likewise, cut all the mushrooms. Now let's make a coating for these mushrooms with some flour, cornstarch, gram flour, some chili powder, cumin powder, pepper powder, some garam masala and some salt. Mix all these dry ingredients. Into that, add in some ginger garlic paste, little bit of water, juice from half lemon, and add some more water and make this into a semi-thick batter. Now this is the perfect consistency required. Now dump in all the sliced mushrooms and mix it. Make sure to coat all the pieces with this batter. Once it is nicely mixed in, cover it and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. And then heat some oil for frying. When the oil is hot, add the mushrooms and cook them. Don't toss everything into the oil at once. The covering from the mushroom will then break loose. So attempt to place one at a time and fry them. Flip and continue to cook until it is very crispy. So the crispiness of the mushroom can be felt when you combine. Remove it from oil and set it aside. Our crispy mushroom 65 is now ready to eat. To give it a little extra flavor, fry some curry leaves in the same oil and toss them in with the fried mushrooms. So give this quick crispy mushroom 65 dish a try and let us know what you think in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. To subscribe to our channel and see more fantastic videos, click the logo. Thank you.